Hi, this is EURCHF and today it's Monday, 18th of January 2021. I'm Sophia S and this is a technical analysis study on the pair using ichimoku Kinkohio, Bollinger Bands, fractals and stochastics. On the monthly time frame we see that although the pair's main trend is a downtrend, the median Bollinger Band has a very clear downward slope. The edges of the upper and the lower Bollinger Band have formed a tongs, and the price has interacted with the median Bollinger Band, and this is indicative of prices intentions, immediate intentions to reach, if not the edge of the upper Bollinger Band, at least the plateau of Kijun-sen on monthly. And of course the price finds it difficult to move upwards through bullish Kumo above it, because this body of the bullish Kumo here represents very strong resistance, but it can't continue its fall unless if it manages to either make this leading Kumo, which is flat, bearish and thick, thinner, or even ideally negating it and turning it into flat and bullish. So ideally the price would love to turn it into flat and bullish, but if not, at least it will try to make it thinner, so it is easier for it to bend it downwards. And although making a spike down to the edge of the lower Bollinger Band is a very strong possibility, and to the direction of the main trend, which is the downtrend, we should not be surprised if the price starts moving upwards for a while. Now, the one move, the upward move, is a move of 220 pips, and the downward move 220 pips too also. So right now the odds are 50-50 for the price to go up or to go down within a fluctuation range of 220 pips. And let's see on weekly what does it want to do. So on the weekly, if we look at the bigger picture, if we zoom out, we see that the price really wants to fall. Why? Because it needs to, the leading Kumo is flat and bullish, and the price made its upward correction in order to collect the buys it needed and execute the sell orders and move lower. And there is a gap between the most recent consolidation of the price and the curve of the lower Bollinger Band. It's not a joke, it's a big gap. It needs to be covered, and it's the smallest part of a huge move, a move of at least 320 pips since the price, till the price reaches that level. So biases are bearish on weekly. Biases are bearish. I will not change this level here because it's at the level of the bullish reversal candlestick pattern here on the left, and I prefer to keep it here. On daily, the price just broke through the bullish Kumo. It will go lower. It looks like it wants to go lower, because even if it wants to reverse and continue higher, it first needs to turn the leading Kumo into flat and bearish and then reverse. So for now it will try to continue lower, but on H4 it looks like the big players ran out of buy orders, so they will go fishing some buy orders, and they may even push the price higher than the edge of the upper Bollinger Band. Which is at 1.0810, a few pips, 53. But if this happens, if the price reaches that level, then a bullish Kumo breakout on H4 will happen. The price will go even higher at 1.0858. So we see that on daily the price will reach the level of the Kitzensen plateau and medium Bollinger Band if this upward move happens, which means it will cancel the continuation of the downward move for now, if it happens, and it looks like it will happen. So this possibility changes the sequence of the moves. So on H4 the price really wants to move upwards. If it reaches the edge of the upper Bollinger Band, it will definitely make a bullish Kumo breakout, and if that happens on daily, it means it will complete an upward range, a bullish range on daily. And if it completes the bullish range on daily, that means it will touch again the upper Bollinger Band on weekly. And how is this explained? It's explained because the body of the bearish Kumo, where the price is in right now and will be moving, having it below it, if it moves this way, represents very strong support. Will it continue higher then? No. No, because the necessity of the continuation of this downward range bound move is imperative. So will this upward move be practically a fake move? Price will be pretending? Yes, it will be pretending. We may see a spike on the weekly eventually, and the price continuing lower, reaching the level of the lower Bollinger Band, going even lower and reaching the 1.0526 level. So regarding the possibility of a trade, right now a trader should consider taking a long trade, although this would be against the main trend of the pair, and I would suggest that someone was very, very patient and would avoid taking long trades on this pair. That means you might even consider waiting for this upward move to finish on weekly. It may take a couple of weeks or more, and then position yourself short on the pair and go follow the price on its continuation of the fall. Now, ideal entry time frame H1. Let me see if it gives, which doesn't give an entry option for a sell trade right now. It doesn't give an entry option for a sell trade. H4 gives an entry option for a sell trade, but again it takes a lot of patience. So if you want to take a short trade, H4 is your entry time frame, bigger than H1, because H4 being a bigger time frame will help you enter to the direction of the main trend, which has bigger fluctuation range. H1, the smaller time frame, will help you get positioned for a brief and secondary move to the upward direction, but you should avoid that. So I gave the take profit targets for both scenarios. This is it for now. Thanks for watching and happy pips.